this is Diamond Lady. Today we're going to share with you our pea soup and a side kebab. These are the ingredients we're using: pork belly, oil, purple cascade beans, runner beans, parsley, ginger, garlic, vegetable stock cube, onion, peas, which is the main ingredient, turmeric, salt to taste, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and minced herbs. Let's get on with the cooking. I have already washed the pork belly and I'm going to cut them into smaller pieces, which is almost like diced sizes, so that I can be able to put them on my kebab steaks. I'm so excited about these pork bellies. I'll give you just a few nutritional facts about pork belly. From my recent research, I found out that pork belly is high quality in protein, and it also contains some micronutrients, which is fat-soluble vitamins and minerals. Pork belly's fat somehow is better than other fats we get from other meats. So I'm just adding some salt to the diced pork belly and getting it ready for my kebab. I'm excited. I'm just adding some black pepper to it, and I'm going to add a bit more of the cayenne pepper. So I am thinking of making these in two parts. So this is the two strips I have cut, and I'm going to cut another strip so that one is extra spicy and the other half is not spicy. I've added some minced herbs, and this is me adding some turmeric to it, and I am so excited. I can't wait to finish with these kebabs. So whilst the kebabs goes into the oven, I will have a bit more time to concentrate on the soup. With the help of a fork, I am making sure that these pork pieces are well coated with a season, and I have just drizzled it with a bit of oil. I will turn my attention to the other pieces, which I don't want to be too spicy. So I'm going to add all those spices I've added to the other half, but this time I am not going to add in the cayenne pepper because the cayenne pepper is quite hot. So I'm going to add some turmeric to it, and I'm getting ready. I've already turned on the oven so that it is warm and ready for me when I'm popping these kebabs in. I am excited about this. I'm going to drizzle some oil on there and make sure to coat it all as well. Now all these are very ready, and I'm going to get my kebab steaks. I'm going to get these pork pieces on the kebab steak with a bit of onion in between. I don't want to be adding any peppers in there today. No, I'm just making it very simple, and I am looking forward to these kebabs. I definitely love pork belly. Yes, I do. The soup I am making goes so well with these pork bellies. You should try it. I know we all have different recipes which we follow to make our kebabs. Sometimes what I do is I steam all the meat first before I get them onto the steak and then get them into the oven, especially when the meat is going to be a bit tough. But pork bellies are extremely soft, super soft. They don't take too long to get ready. So I'm ready with these kebab steaks, and I have arranged them on a tray ready to go into the oven. I have got some soya, and I'm going to sprinkle it on the hot bit so that I know the difference between the hottest and then the mild kebab. It's going into the oven, and I am getting so excited about this. Now that the kebab is in the oven, I can turn my attention to the soup. I'm going to cut the onion into pieces, and then I'll cut a few pieces of the ginger, and then also cut the garlic into pieces. Here are just a few health benefits of peas. So peas help to fight inflammation. It also improves digestion. It is high in protein, and I know it lowers bad cholesterol, and I also know that it does boost a lot of mood. Yes, it really does, and it promotes very healthy eyes. So now I'm going to start by putting a bit of oil in my cooking saucepan, and I'm adding in there the ginger, the garlic, and the onion. I'm also going to add part of the peas in there, leaving just a little bit on the side, which I will add to it later. This is getting me so excited already. I'm excited about this soup. Honestly, I am. And what I'm going to add in there next is salt and black pepper, just to season our soup. Sometimes you can put those in at the end, but I love to start with it so that it gets well seasoned. Next, what I'm going to do is to try and melt this vegetable stock cube. So I'm going to add some hot water to it. That is a lot of hot water, because this soup, well, basically is made out of water, isn't it? That is ready, and I'm adding the water to the stir-fried vegetables. I am excited about the soup. I'm going to leave this for it to bubble away, and then I will come back to it later. As this is bubbling away, I'm going to turn my attention to something else, and I'm going to cut these beans into smaller pieces ready to steam so that I can add to the soup at the end. These runner beans, they do a lot for the body. They help with eyesight, they protect the heart. So beans are also a source of vitamin C, and they have vital minerals. So these purple cascade beans never stay purple when they are boiled. They are shocking, isn't it? Well, I just want to eat beans. So you notice that beans has a lot of health benefits, and I will encourage you to add more to your food. I'm getting them all ready to steam them. I don't want to boil them in so much water. No, just a little bit of water, and I'm seasoning it first with a bit of salt, and I'm just going to add just a little bit of water because I'm only steaming them up. All these purple cascade beans are all going to turn into green. There you go. There's no purple beans in there anymore, is there? So I'm going to just microwave just the piece for just a few minutes, and I'll be adding it to the soup later. Look at these kebabs. It's looking good. It's already cooked, and I'll leave that for later. So I'm just adding the parsley in there, and I'm going to turn off the stove because I don't want to overboil that. Now that all these veggies are cooked, I am going to blend it all until smooth with the help of my hand blender. And once I'm done blending, I'm also going to add in the peas, which I just microwaved and blended as well. The reason why I'm adding that in the end is because I want my soup to have that green color. Look at that. It's looking delicious. I'm adding in there my steamed beans, and the soup is ready. I'm going to serve this with a side kebab, and I am excited. Delicious. Just feast your eyes for a bit. After leaving it there for it to just bubble up just a little bit more, I am ready to serve it, and my soup is looking so good. You can have some bread on the side, and I'm garnishing it with some more parsley, and this soup is definitely something to die for. You can drizzle it with a bit of cream, and your soup is ready. Look at mine. I've got some soya on top of my kebab, and it looks delicious. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to come and join us. Don't forget to like, share, and comment.